What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This way I give you all the hottest and newest potential gems, altcoins, meme coins in the crypto space. If it has some type of hype, some type of attention, some type of potential, we're checking it out on the channel. In this video we're going to be checking out ElvishMagic. I saw the chart, it was on Dex Tools, it was trending. I was like, wow, this chart is pretty bullish. So let me dive into the project, see what we got in this one. As always, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space, because it is very risky and very volatile. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. Welcome to ElvishMagic. I see that they have a rabbit right here, guys. The world's first metaverse launch system and decentralized protocol to launch new ideas and products. ElvishMagic is decentralized NFT staking and pad integration. Okay, launch pad staking, nice stuff. Our mission is to enable users to both support new projects and generate revenue by providing never before used launchpad solutions and staking NFT connectivity and building an extraordinary system. They have the white paper right here for you to go through. Why ElvishMagic? They have their launchpad, which is nice. Okay, we all know what a launchpad is. You buy an allocation of the ElvishMagic tokens, and then you hold it in a staking protocol, so you could get a certain amount of tokens for their new launch, right? So whenever they're launching a project, if you have a certain amount of ElvishMagic tokens, that's the allocation you get for the launch of the projects they add to the launch pad, right? NFT and marketplace, so they'll have their own NFTs and marketplace for you to buy and sell, staking and farming for that Defi. ElvishMagic pad tier system. What is this? Created with the world's first NFT integration, will be announced before the first projects. NFTs will gain importance, and people with NFT will be entitled to lower amounts in sales. This excellent system will be with you soon. Okay, very interesting stuff. Never heard of this, so that's great that they're doing innovative utility. Token utility. ElvishMagic is a multi-chain program-based token on Alvi chain. The EMP token will drive the governance on the Alvi protocol. Alvi chain, another blockchain I haven't checked out, might just have to check it out on the channel. So I'm guessing ElvishMagic is one of the top altcoins on Alvi chain. Okay, ElvishMagic roadmap. It will make the team move to the extreme and achieve good goals. And you can check the Medium article out for that. So they have things that are in the works to be announced right here. They have different IDOs already. Okay, nice. This is for the launch pad. This is the NFT marketplace right here. Pretty decent, man. Pretty decent. And then there's the team. Not a docs team, but hey, that's not a problem. If the project is crushing it, the team doesn't have to be doxed, okay? I'll show you guys when we take a look at the chart. I'm so upset I don't see these projects earlier, man. I'll be real with you guys, but I'll be doing my best to research and find these projects as quickly as possible. Phase 1, website launch. Phase 2, phase 3, this is the roadmap. Phase 4, obviously partnership, CX listing, Wabi Life AMA. That sounds nice. Big partnership announcement. Okay, partners and backers. Alvi chain. I know of this project. I know of Alvi chain. This is making a lot of noise. Murati AI, Lovely Inu. I know Murati AI as well. Never heard of Lovely Inu. Pink sale by that smart chain. Pretty nice stuff, man. Coin market cap, people are bullish on EMP. 100x easy, sitting at a fully diluted market cap is 4.5 million, and the market cap with the circulating supply is 2.8 million. So the circulating supply to the tokens that are left to be unlocked, not much of a big difference there. So that is bullish for the project. 17.7k followers on Twitter. Recently had a buy competition. They recently had a AMA with Christina Keller. Very nice engagement, guys. 300 likes every tweet. 300 likes, 2,000 likes, 100 retweets. So that's pretty bullish stuff as well. That means the community is very active. Right here, see someone that has the chart pulled up, man. I'm telling you, the chart for this project is super bullish. You know, As always, none of this is investment advice, guys. So if you do plan to get into the project, never invest more than you're willing to lose, and look for an entry, because from the launch of this project, it's up 10x. But recently, in 1 month, it went around 4x from last month, guys. Like, I wish I covered this a bit sooner. Yeah, I have to keep my eye out, because some of these projects, you know, there will be gains to be made, right? There will be gains to be made. So for what I see from the project, just looking at the chart, it's very bullish. The chart tells me if it's bullish or not, and it's very bullish. It's up 4x right now in a month, and it looks like the uptrend is here, and it'll keep onwards on that uptrend. Now, obviously I could be wrong. You know how crypto is, guys, but you know, if you hold EMP or ElvishMagic, let me get your thoughts down in the comment section below. Everything about the project and myself will be in the description. Also, check out my Patreon, guys. I post all of these projects early on the Patreon. I have 0 patrons right now. Who's gonna be the first? You have 4 different tiers to pick from. My choice would be the Crypto Elite tier, access to a personal Discord, personal interactions with myself, you know, early information on pre-sales, all great stuff that you could sign up for. So if you want to get access to all my information early, become a patron. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.